Sovereign Chess Royale, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Sovereign Chess, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of this 4-player version of Sovereign Chess is to have the last king remaining. Set up white and black across from each other, and ash and slate across from each other, with all the queens on the light spaces. On the outside ring, beginning next to white's rook and proceeding clockwise, the order of the colored pieces is as follows: knight, rook, bishop, queen, rook, bishop, queen. The color sequence around the board goes pink, red, yellow, green, light blue, purple, yellow, orange, pink, purple, dark blue, green. The next ring in the corners, place knights, orange, dark blue, red, light blue. Place the pawns of their matching colors adjacent to the knights. In the remaining empty spaces, place pawns that match the color of the adjacent outside space. Randomly assign players colors. White goes first, then ash, then slate, then black. Players retain this turn order throughout the game, even if their colors change. There is no checkmate. Instead, kings are captured. Kings are allowed to move into check and through check while castling. Players are not obligated to moving their king out of check if they don't want to, but players must announce check at the end of their turn if they check another player or move their own king into check. There should be no surprise captures of kings due to unannounced threats or accidental moves. When your king is captured, you are not eliminated from the game, but instead continue playing as normal. You are allowed to promote a pawn to a king and thus regain the ability to win the game. You are only eliminated from the game when you have no pieces remaining to move. If you are in a situation where your king is currently not in check, but the only legal move puts your king in check, then you are not allowed to move your king into check, and you are considered to be temporarily stalemated, and your king is removed from the board. If you are unable to generate a new king before the end of the game, then you are considered to having tied for that game. If you do generate a new king, then you regain the ability to win and lose. The game ends when only one king remains, then that player is the winner.